Good morning, y'all. Gonna be a really busy day today. Got a big project ahead of me. I'm gonna flip the camera around, let you see what's going on. So, about ready to get jumping on it. Let's get cracking, man. It's gonna be busy. I gotta get done today. It's really probably a 2-day job. Ford F-250, 14 or 15, can't remember the year exactly. But we're throwing zone, lift kit, blocks in the back, arms, shocks, springs. You got your bar. Basically everything there. It's gonna go on this bad boy, so I gotta shut up because I gotta get this thing cracking, man. Waiting for my homie to get here. We got the mad scientist, little Eddie. He's gonna be showing up here in a few minutes. We're gonna get this thing busted out, so let's do it, y'all. Alright, just comparing parts a little bit here. Stock spring, zone spring. Definitely gonna notice a difference in size on those. Radius arms are definitely way more beefier. You can definitely see the difference in the thickness. And just all around pure beefiness. I would not have any worry about these. Welds are good. Pretty clean welds. No complaints. So that is this thing, 5 pounds. Oh, Jesus. 60, 70, 80 pounds. Big difference. Big difference. Same thing here. This guy. Look at the beefiness in that versus this factory one. Obviously, there's no bushings or anything in there at the moment, but I mean, you can just see the difference. This bad boy is stout. So anyways, got to get back to work. Just wanted to kind of throw those out there so y'all can see it. What's up, y'all? Back again. Just a little update. Thanks for kicking my ass. Or sorry, excuse me. Thanks for kicking my rear. But I'm getting it done. So I'm going to flip this camera around real quick and let's shoot. Alright. Big old springs, new shocks, arms. We got this thing pretty well torn down. Getting ready to get her back in there. Yeah, a bunch of the old stuff laying around, but yeah, get back in. What's up, y'all? Lift is all done. So I'll just go over it real quick. Let me flip this camera around. Waiting on the wheel, other 3 wheels and tires, but you got blocks in the back, big old heavy duty U-bolts. You got some new shocks hiding back there. See up front. Got some big old monster springs, nice shocks. Look at them trailing radius arms are looking good. It's got some mounts up front. These are the tires and wheels are running. Personally, way too small, but hey, I ain't the one who picked them out, so I just do the work. All right, y'all, I'll get some more stuff up here.